6-7, we're making contact.
Hey, no, hey, put the knife away. Put the knife down. Put the knife down. Where'd you put it? Okay.
Put it down.
Okay. All right, do me a favor. Yeah.
Front him out.
Hey, man, do me a favor, go inside. Move away.
Hey, sir, hey, don't move.
Don't move.
You put the knife in his
Drop the
pocket.
knife.
Come on.
Go inside. Get away. Drop the knife.
Watch crossfire. Hey, put the knife.
Put the knife down.
I got taser.
Put the knife down.
Everybody hold. Hey, get a backup and supervisor. Hey, 40. Beanbag. Wait. Okay. Ready up. Hey, Villalobos. VDCO. Hey, Villalobos, you're DCO. You're DCO. Hey, Perez. Wait. Perez, you're 40. Move up. Move up. Hey, drop it. Drop it. 40. Hey, call there. Be calm.
Drop the knife, dude.
Hey, wait. Let's slow it down. Hey, Villalobos, let's create distance. Let's create distance. We'll have the 40. Hey, drop the knife. Okay, be calm, please. Hey, you two be my arrest team. You be secondary DCO. Okay. Hey, you know what? Do we have another shot? Hey, stop! Hey, hit him. Wait. Traffic? Drop the knife, bro. Stop. No, am I gonna have to go up at 40 on him? Hey, 40 now. Hit him with the 40, dude. Drop it. Yeah, he does. Hey, drop it. Drop it.
Try to get cover over here, guys.
We're doing.
Some cover, man.
Hey, create distance.
Yeah. Just
Create distance. We're good. We're good. We got it.
Hey, back up.
We got it.
If you can get,
Hey, Villalobos, hit him with the taser, bro. If you get close enough. Drop it.
drop the knife, dude. Drop it.
Drop it.
Drop the knife.
Drop it. Drop it. Hey, wait. Stop. What are you doing?
Drop it.
You still got it. Drop the knife. Hit him with the 40. Hit him with the 40. Down the fucking ground. Drop the fucking knife. Down the fucking ground. Drop the knife. Okay, got it. I got one arm. Give me the other arm. Give me the other arm. Yeah. Got it? Yeah. Stop moving. Move. Relax, man. Relax.